Amura to Meliesa. Yes, Meliesa with a pinky roll. 2 points to number 7.
Fourth quarter.
Fourth quarter. Katamura to Meliesa. Yes, Meliesa with a pinky roll. 2 points to number 17. 38-52. Sese with the ball. Simple. As Katamura with the ball. Katamura. $40-52, lusin na lang ang hinahabol ng team Masamok on the team to sprint. There's a pass to Contreras. Sese with the ball. Pass the ball back to Sese. Extra pass to Sese. 10 seconds on the shot clock. That's about to Contreras with a jumper. Rebound on Sinadhan. There's Espinosa with the ball. Espinosa with the pass. Jumper is handed out. Rebound on Sese. There's Sese now with the ball. Sese with the basketball. There's a pass outside to Onke. Now Onke with the drives. Rebound on Meliesa. There's Meliesa with the ball. Meliesa on the drive. Lays up. Baliktad ang Pendusa. Rebound. There's a pass to Sese. Patayon din in oras di matapos. 8 minutes. There's a baseball pass. Bout! Nag-isip agad si Bout. Kung iya idakdak o nano. There's a inbound to number 9. Okay, pass ball. Meliesa with a counter steal. Meliesa with the ball. Meliesa with a pass. Katamura with a jumper. Rebound on Contreras. Contreras with the ball. There's a cross pass to Sese. Sese. Uy, nitsa lang. Rebound on Sese. Sese with the ball. Rebound on Meliesa. There's Meliesa now with the ball. Meliesa attempt. Short. Rebound, steps the ball. Espinosa with a steal. Espinosa and a good rebound on Contreras. Foul number 2. Ball moves out. Meliesa moves out. 7 minutes, 7. Seven minutes. There's a pass to Sese. Nice pass. There's Katamura. Lays up. Gets the basket with a foul. Basket count. Foul number 99. Timeout. Batang Kalye. Namora. Lays up. Yan and out. Rebound on number 14. Vesta. Lumalakas to Sler. That's Sler very well. Extra pass to number 13. Guyon na good rebound on Espinosa. Espinosa in traffic. Pass to Meliesa. That's Meliesa with the ball. Meliesa zigzagging move off the glass. The good rebound. Meliesa kick out pass. Bautro. Pumping pass. With the reverse. The good rebound on Meliesa. Kick out pass. Katamura.
Mineral water.
Katamura with the ball. Katamura fake. Rebound. Symbol. Sinadhan moves out. Katamura moves out. Pass a pass. Sler. 6 minutes. Number 26 with the ball. Let's let it to Neo. As Neo with the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Take it away. As Pautro with the ball. Pautro. Pass ball to Sanguines. Sanguines off the glass. Gets a 2 points. 44-52. Baba sa 8. Ang hinahabol ng team Masamok. Now Isler with a pass inside. Guyon reverse 2 points. 44-54. Cristobal with the ball. Cristobal. Pass ball to Sanguines. Sanguines reverse at the block. That's a pass. Manlapas with the ball. 5 minutes remaining. Sler with the ball. Sler. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound Espinosa. Espinosa to Pautro. There's Pautro. Puts it up. Rebound to number 4. That's the ball. That's a pass. 4 minutes and 35. Foul on number 37. Substitution. Vista moves out. Meliesa moves out. And Pautro. First foul, Cristobal. 4 minutes and 34. Sler. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Sler. Foul on number 0. Bout. Substitution. Cristobal moves out. Second foul on Bout. Manlapas na good rebound of Meliesa. Sanguines. With a pass. He pitches on this. Sler with the ball. Sler na good. Rebound. That's Meliesa with the ball. Stop for the ball.
May sticker kaya?
Wala pa.
4 minutes remaining. Neo with the layup. And foul on number 72. Sanguines moves out. Second foul, number 72 is Espinosa. 3 minutes 55. Foul number 26, Sler. First foul is Sler. There's a inbound to Bout. There's Bout by the ball. We lose the ball. There's a pass. Sler with the ball. Sler. Pass the ball. There's a steal on sila ng Griboto Meliesa. Sler, pull-up jumper, 2 points, 44-57, reserve lang. Katamora with the ball. Katamora with it. Nice pass to Sinadhana, 2 points. 46-57. Neo with the ball. Neo with the ball. Attack on the defense, number 13. 2 points, up yun. Timeout, team. Three minutes. Meliesa. Get it out. Rebound. Kickball. Meliesa moves out. Ball moves out. That's a pass. Espinosa to Meliesa. Cross out to Bautro. Bautro zigzagging move. 2 points. 48-59. That's number 16. Neo with the ball. Neo with the basketball. Neo with the jumper. Rebound. Katamora for the rebound. That's Katamora with the ball. Katamora. Lose the ball. Second the ball by number 16. Just the right steal on Meliesa. Okay, next game, Team Time versus Action Panayon. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Splana. Rebound. Last 2 minutes. Number 24 with the ball. Meliesa attacking the defense. Foul number 16. Third foul. Neo. Substitution. Sinatan moves out. 48-59. Katamura with the 2 points. 50-59. 1 minute 40. Splana. Sler. Tonillo. That's a pass. 1 minute 30. Meliesa with the ball. Meliesa with the pass. Second away by number 16. Neo. Basketball to Malapas. Send it out. Rebound. Malapas for the rebound. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Four seconds on the shot clock. 4 seconds on the shot clock. 4 seconds on the shot clock. 4 seconds. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds on the shot clock. 4 seconds to shoot. As a steal. 1 minute 7. Reserve. As a inbound. 1 minute remaining. Katamura, 55 seconds. Bautro, hanging out. 2 points on Bautro. 53 seconds. That's Neo with the ball. Neo with the 2 points. 52-61, 50 seconds. 45 seconds. Bautro with the ball. 40 seconds. Bautro, 6 seconds. Too strong. Rebound. Malapas with the rebound. That's a pass. 30 seconds. 52-61. Timeout. Team Masamo. 30 seconds. $20 seconds. Rebound. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As the end of the game, score is 52-61. Won by the team Batang Karyer.